Inhale softly. Imagine a river beginning within you, clear, steady, unhurried. With your next breath, let its gentle current quiet the shoreline of your thoughts. You are more than the surface chatter. Your depths are calm and wise. Beneath every wave, a steady tide moves, faithful, soothing, carrying you with care. When you notice that flow, you remember your quiet radiance, not because of anything outside you, but because your inner waters reflect truth with kindness. You are strong, shaped like stone by patient currents, softened by time, enduring with grace. Real strength doesn't shout, it flows forward, steady and sure. You are positive, rooted like a river's course toward open sea, choosing small light the way water finds every path. Picture waterfalls, rivers, and cliffs beside the sea, horizons breathing a shared truth in salt and spray. Let this water become your steadying image. With one quiet breath, meet the current and rest in its support. I am calm, I am strong, I am carried by peace. Keep this feeling near, like water close to shore. Return to it whenever you need. It will always meet you. Christy Ella.